Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel Math Be Fun. Today we'll see how to make our own puzzle. Sounds interesting? Oh yes, it is. We can make puzzle on addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, any of the operations, fractions, integers, etc. etc. So we'll see how to make the puzzle. Before starting, let's see what are all the materials required. For making our own puzzle, we need a paper, preferably a thick one, a color pen and a scissor. I have already made a hexagon over this and I have drawn the triangles in it like this. You too can make this and keep it ready. Now let's see what to do. So today let's make this puzzle on addition. Now what we have to do is, we can see these triangles. We write question on one side of the triangle and its answer to its adjacent triangle. Let's see how. Since we are making puzzle on addition, we write a question for addition. Say for example 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5, answer is 20. I write it over here. Similarly, let's take this side. Maybe I write question here as 5 plus 9. Now 5 plus 9 is 14. I write answer over here. One thing to keep in mind is, while writing questions and answers, see to it that you don't repeat the questions, or else the puzzle might end up with connecting the wrong joints. Now when we come to the corner sides, there is no another side. So here we can write any number so that the puzzle piece doesn't look incomplete, and this might help in confusing a child. So I write here as 10. I write here as 11 and so on. So as you can see, we have written questions and its answer to the adjacent side in all the triangles, and the corners where there is no adjacent side, we have just written numbers in random. Okay, now what we do is we cut each and every triangle. Cut it very properly so that question and answer doesn't get mixed in it. This becomes your one puzzle piece. Similarly, when we cut all, the all part becomes our puzzle pieces. Now, as you can see, our puzzle pieces are cut and ready. Now, let's join it. Oh yes, our puzzle is ready. I hope you like this puzzle. If you like the video, please like, subscribe our channel Math Be Fun.